Let's make a basic Pygame setup. So first of all, we have to import Pygame. Then we're going to do a setup. We're going to initiate Pygame. We're going to create a screen. We're going to set our resolution of our window. This will just create our window. We're going to create a clock that will help us to limit the amount of frames. Later on, we're going to make it to 60 frames per second. Now we're going to build a main loop. We're going to add event for when a player going to close the window. Without this, you will not be able to close your window. One of the first things you will do in your loop is to fill it with some color. This will be your background. You can use RGB or just names of the color. I like to use hexadecimal colors. And this is where your game logic will go. After that, we're gonna actually draw everything to the screen with the flip method. And the last thing in the loop will be limiting our clock to 60, so it's 60 frames per second. And after the loop, it's not in the loop, we're gonna quit. Without this, you will not quit actually properly. Right, let's go back to the logic and draw something. Let's draw a very simple circle. So pygame.draw.circle, then where we want to draw it on our surface, then we're gonna define the color and the position using a tuple, and then the size of it. Great, let's actually make it move. So let's make a variable outside the loop, x. If we make it inside the loop, then it will just repeat itself. It will be always 500. And then if we add 1 to it, there you go. We have our circle.